how to quickly and easily insulate your home to keep it warmer in winter, cooler in summer, and reduce energy bills instantly. Around 30% of all heat loss in a house is normally through the roof. This can be prevented. Installing the EcoQuilt Expert multifoil insulation under the roof rafters or loft ceiling is considered to be the safest, most effective way to insulate your home. Unlike itchy, harmful materials like loft fibre, rigid board or spray foam, EcoQuilt Expert is 100% fibre-free and 100% safe. Starting at the bottom of the roof rafters in the loft, simply roll out the EcoQuilt Expert insulation roll, stapling to each roof rafter. Overlap the next run of insulation by 50mm. EcoQuilt Expert is a high-performing multifoil insulation that reflects 95% of heat back into your home on winter days and reflects excessive heat in the summer, keeping it an ambient temperature all year round. In addition, it helps provide a clean, dust-free loft for storage. EcoQuilt Expert is supplied in the EcoPro Loft Ceiling Insulation Kit, complete with everything required for a quick and easy installation. You can order the complete EcoPro Loft Ceiling Insulation in a size to suit your loft space. Simply click on the link below to order online at trade rates with free next working day delivery.